yung BFF niya si Everest na.
Friends nga talaga sila. Hindi lang basta siya yung nag-iisip na friend niya. Yes.
Perfect. I will give you the consent form here to fill out. Just a heads up that there are 2 pages here.
Okay.
Perfect. And can I get you anything to drink?
Video ka na.
Peekaboo. Ito massage to, madam. We're gonna do massage. Couple massage pala. Breakfast ka kami. Massage pala.
Are you using exfoliating acids? No. No.
Massage to.
Anong skincare goals mo, Kot?
Someone greeted me, happy birthday.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you currently rate the condition of your skin?
7.
Okay.
Breakfast to sa Cora.
Iiwanan na kita dito.
Ah, hi.
So, si Jake, kala niya ipapamassage siya. Pero facial pala. Nandun siya ngayon. Dun sa loob. Was it?
So good. And,
He looks blooming.
oh, yes. It said that my age is, per assessment, is like 45 years old. So,
No.
and when I think that I'm already 7 out of 10, actually I'm in the 3 out of 10 skincare.
Nice. Pero parang naging okay yung...
Siguro 6 process yun.
Wow.
What a surprise. So hindi na ako makapag-front yard kasi
Hindi na.
the next 24 hours daw.
Hindi na. Yes, it's 3:06.
Nice, from Cora. Facial. Thank you, my love. Thank you.
Jasmine tea. Nag-iba na yung ano nila, but or di ba ano, kasi bukas.
Open ko yung
Namaya mo.
order natin. Follow up natin.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday!
What?
Wow, ang ganda naman!
Thank you, my love.
Welcome, Daddy. Daddy's Day. Wish him a happy birthday.
Yeah, and I will make a happy birthday. Happy birthday to Daddy. I love you, Daddy. You make money for us. I want to because Daddy is my best Daddy.
Thank you, Aya, for your message to Daddy.
Happy birthday, Jay! Itong special day mo, sana maging masaya ka at more blessings to come. More years to come. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Daddy. Happy 39th birthday. I wish you good health and success and happiness. I hope that everything that your heart's desires will come true. That's it. I love you so much.